Rain, rain, go away. Let me finish my painting today. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Take it back now, y'all. Well, not too far. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to shake things up. Oh my god, not like that, but like, just something a little bit different, you know? So, if you're ready, let go. The first thing that I did was I put a layer of white on the canvas and I spread it all over the canvas. I then mixed my colors in a red solo cup. This is the first technique that I did. It was also my least favorite technique. I think it is so satisfying when I'm pouring the paint out and rolling the paint all around the canvas. So I made sure that I kept these parts in real time so you guys can see everything and be so satisfied. That's one reason why this video is a little bit too long, but it is worth it. I think this turned out so pretty. It's one of my favorites. To be more precise, this is like one of my third favorites. I love how all of my favorite colors like give me like these unicorn vibes while looking at this, and I like how it looks like stripes as well. It's just so beautiful. So I'm doing the same thing I did last time, pouring the white paint on the canvas. Didn't think I didn't need to show that again. I did that for the majority of them, not all of them. This time I poured the paint directly from the bottle onto the canvas instead of putting into a cup first. This time I used some old yarn that I had lying around to make some cool designs. I like how it looks on the phone case, which you'll see later in the video, but I don't really like how it looks on the canvas, but it was worth a try. The gold and the silver paint really make all the ones that I use, the gold and silver paint, look a lot better, since I didn't really like the results compared to the other ones that I did. This is my opinion, but I don't really like the stringy look that I get when I use the cup. Just, nope, not feeling it. So I did like it when I was pouring the paint in a circle, but then I went a little crazy at the end and ruined it, in my opinion. But I think it is the white that is making it like not look good, and that goes with all of them that I use. I think I should have used less white and just focus on the colors. The ones that I used, the cup, I think I didn't add white, or not as much white. It would look way better. I could be wrong. Maybe I can do this again and test it out. I got plenty of wall space for that. By the way, when I was filming the close-ups, you can see like cracks in the paint or on the canvas. I don't really know what that is all about. Maybe I used a lot of paint, or maybe the paint's just really cheap. I don't know, but far away you can't see it, so it doesn't really bother me, nor do I care either. This probably is my least favorite. That's why it is at the bottom of my wall. I did redo this one. I should have done that with the last one I just finished, but it started to drizzle and I was like trying to hurry up so the rain wouldn't pick up. So as you can see from my little intro, rain, rain, go away. Let me finish my painting today. When I didn't even realize I said that, but when I heard it after I watched the video, I was like, I have to add this somewhere. So just had to add that. I thought it was so funny. But anyways, where was I? So I had to like hurry up, and this one ended up being my favorite. I like the silver part. It looks like a little, silver river. I like how it looks really marble-like it belongs on a countertop. I like the little gold lines in it too. It just adds like a little nice touch that I was looking for, but didn't really think I needed it. That makes no sense. Anyways. At first, I started to use some yarn, but then I was like, nah, this ain't gonna work. So then I covered that up with paint and rolled the paint around, and then it ended up being another one of my favorites. This definitely looks like it belongs on a countertop for sure. In other words, I like the marble look. I also did a phone case for my mom because that's what she wanted. She ended up loving it. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, she was sitting there telling me how to do it and how she wanted it, so I guess she should love it. There is a couple of spots that like shifted, maybe when it was drying or pouring out or something. I don't know. But like I was saying, like you can see like the old cover, but it still looks good. So I also decorated the 2 boxes. I had like so much fun and it looked so good, and I didn't want it to end. Like I was like looking for things, like looking around to see if I can decorate some more stuff. Like I was really searching for some stuff to decorate. If you watched my recent room tour, you know exactly where these 2 boxes go. But I love how these look. Again, I like the little marbly texture or look that I got while doing these boxes. I wish I could get this design like on a notebook. That would be so pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, new idea. Speaking of ideas, I had this brilliant idea to take the box and spread it on the table on all those paint droppings from, you saw how that happened. Anyways, it looked pretty good, even though a toddler could probably do the same thing. No, I can do it better. Here is how it looks on my wall. Like I was saying earlier, I have room for more, so I can make more in the future. Some are lopsided. That's how you know that I did it, but you can't tell unless you were like up close. But who cares? I just love it. I'm looking at it right now. So in love with it. Can't stand my hands like this. I mean, it's pretty, but it just makes me want to pick at it a lot. And it's probably not healthy for your hands. So if you're doing this, don't be an idiot like me and wear gloves. I'm not really going to use the letters because I like them too much, and I think the letters are way too big to put them on the canvas, and it'll cover up the art too much. I think I might do one maybe. I'm not really sure. I think I might give one to my friend. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.